Aloha from Germany. I'm Anke, a TTouch for You practitioner, and I was teaching a TTouch for You weekend 2 weeks ago, and I would like to tell you something that happened in this weekend. And because I'm not so good in writing in English, I decided to make this video and let you see one of my beautiful paintings from Hawaii. There was one woman, she was in the age around 50, between 50 and 60, and she had arthrosis in her fingers, and we have been looking at the first day to find the right TTouch, what she could do. So it was not so easy for her to do the clouded leopard, but either some of the chimp and stuff was not good for her hand because too much curve was not easy at all. So she tried what works best for her, and the next morning she called me before we met, and she said that the right hand, what she used to do the circles, was not painful at all, and she said there is no voice, no sound anymore. Normally she had a knacken, so there was a sound, and it was gone. And now she wanted to come this day and use her left hand more because it's such a difference, and the pain was gone. And then at the day she came and worked with the other hand, and even after 1 or 2 hours this hand got better. And what was also very interesting to see is that the movement of her hand became way more better, so she could do the clouded leopard at the second day of the workshop. So, and that was something we really liked. And another person, she came home at night to her husband, and he's playing music, and he has a lot of tension in the shoulders and the neck, and his hands are in Germany we say falling asleep, so there's this that you don't feel them right, and he had some injuries in his neck too. And so they tried with the body wraps and with the shoulder wrap, and immediately he got up, he was standing upright and relaxed his shoulders. And then they played a little bit around with different ideas around the back and around the belly, and the changes he made in some minutes have been so big that he got tired, and he was lying down and he was sleeping for half an hour. And then she was a little bit afraid because he had a gig at night, but then he got up and he was so fresh and fit, and he was trying to play for a half an hour. And then he got to the gig and everything worked fine. His hand has been fine and the shoulders have been free, and he could really enjoy playing music. So, and she was so happy when she came the next day that she could help him so effective and so fast. And at the end of the day, when we left on the Sunday, one other person told me that she was used to bite her fingernails, and she had tried to put this jelly nails, I don't know the name in English, these artificial nails, so she couldn't bite them. But she said it was still that she wanted to do this, even if it was not possible. And then we have been talking about the mouth TTouch. And after a while, she recognized that the wish was gone to bite the nails. And the next day, it came back for a short time, and she did once some circles with them around the mouth and a little bit with her lips, and it was gone. It was gone for the whole day, and it was very impressive for her that it can go that fast. And she told me that she used to do the hard hug before, so because her writing instructor was a student of me, and she already came to a TTouch for You weekend, and she showed her the TTouch hard hug. And when she had to go on stage and she was afraid, she said sometimes she freezes before and then she don't know how to do it. But then she's doing hard hug, and then she can go on stage and can make herself doing the best she can. And so she can stay and walk and speak, and her brain is there. So I hope my English was good enough so you could understand. Sometimes it's hard to find the right English words for this stuff. I don't know the real names, but I hope you will get it. I'm open for questions. And yeah, I would love to share. It was an amazing weekend. Thank you, Linda, for sharing this wonderful method, what makes our lives so much better. Aloha.